Guys, welcome back to my channel. Keep watching if you want to see how I created this look using Bperfect Master Palette. Now this is the most important part. I'm going to try out Bperfect's new palette. It's with Louise McDonald and it looks really good. These are the colours. It has blush, highlight, sculpt and eyeshadows in it. Okay, so today I'm feeling like a Kimmy K kind of vibe makeup. Well, I'm going to attempt like what I think it's like. I'm not going to like full on copy her makeup. I'm just going to do like this sort of no makeup, not no makeup, no makeup. Not like a really dramatic eye or anything, like really like just cute and like nice makeup like she's been doing lately, because I'm like obsessed with her lately. I literally honestly want to be her lately. She's so gorgeous. Her bod isn't real. I wish I could flip and get that bod with makeup, but this is literally my first time using this palette. Like literally I haven't even swatched anything out of it because I wanted to do like a complete first impressions. Ooh. So yeah. Why do I still have plastic on my brush? Like? So I'm going to use Tiger first. Wow, it's very pigmented. It's like the perfect orangey kind of colour. I already have so many eyeshadows that are similar to this kind of colour, but it's really nice and it's way more pigmented than the Inglow ones that I usually use, because I have like 4 Inglow ones in this colour. Well, they're all like similar colours, but yeah, this one is like way more pigmented, to be honest. I'm the worst. I never have any idea what I'm doing before I do a makeup. I'm just like eh. Sometimes I know the vibes that I'm going for, but then I just sit down and I'm just like yeah. And then sometimes I'll be like, I'm gonna do pink today, say, which is rare, and then I just end up doing orange and I'm like okay, let's go with that, angel. Okay, so for the purpose of this video I'm literally only going to use the colours that are in this, which is really hard because I usually use about 20 different shades of the one colour, but oh, I just found Marbs. Okay, I think Marbs will be literally me. It's really similar to Chickadee from Makeup Geek and I love that, so I'm just going to use that again and like basically all over my eye and blend it out. I love this colour. Okay, pretty happy with that. All I did was throw it all over my eyelids. It's where I did a flipping cut crease or something. So now I'm going to start darkening it up. So I'm going to use Toffee. I'm going to use a smaller brush for this. Yeah. These brushes are from AliExpress, by the way. Well, actually not all of them. Some of them are crown brush. But this one and the first one that I used. I feel like this palette is perfect. I can't wait to see what the highlights like in it. There's a highlight that's really gold. Ooh, and sculpt. And they have a nice peachy blusher, which I'm so excited about. That was my phone. Which I'm so excited about because I only have like 2 blushers because I just haven't been wearing them for ages. I've only started wearing them again recently and they're both like pinky. Like they're nice, but they're not like really pinky or anything. But yeah, I just wanted a peachy one, so I'm really happy. It's really nice peachy as well, see? That's it there, called peachy. I'm like obsessed with this pink colour called Louise. Obviously after Louise who created the palette, but yeah, I just don't know how or when I'm gonna wear it. I might just do like a fun video using it, because realistically I'm not really like a pink eyeshadow kind of gal. Like I go for like burgundies and stuff, that's like the most. Maybe for like a festival or something, but I don't know. Sometimes I think it's just a bit tack, especially on me, and because I have green eyes it just looks a bit odd, I think. The girls are telling me to hurry up even though I'm literally on schedule, so I don't really know what the problem is. I don't know why everyone has to nag me all the time. Like, took a break to have my dinner and girl can't even have her dinner in peace. I think it's just because I'm like late sometimes, but I'm actually not even late. I'm never late for like work or college. I'm just late for a night date sometimes. I'm not even late, I'm just like, you know, I'm not early. That's because I have other stuff that out. Like, I wish I had all day to get ready. Yeah, I'm just basically blending this out already. You already know. Guys, I'm actually loving this palette. It's really, really nice. Like, all the colours that are in it I would 100% use. There's not one that I wouldn't use. The only one is the pink that I'm unsure of, but I do want to use it. I just know I probably won't get a huge amount of use out of it. I'd love to see how pigmented it is, so I'd love to try it out for you now, to be honest, but like, it's just not gonna work with my vibe. But I will. I promise you I will. My eyeshadow, I've been blending it so much that it's probably, yeah, it's pretty much hitting off my flipping eyebrow by this stage. It's gone up too far. My eyes keep watering as well. Like, it's really, really not ideal. I think it's because I have like 20 lights on around me, but I'm not turning them off for you. The only thing that I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do is there's no like white, like, you know, the way you put a bit of, like, I use like a creamish, like not a full-on white, to like kind of help blend out my eyeshadow around here, but there's the only white is Beam, which will be so nice for like the brow bone as like a highlight kind of, but I don't really know if I want to use that like right now. Like, I don't really want to use it to blend it out, you get me? Look, I'm just going to try a bit of it and I'm just going to see how I get on, and I'm not going to dye. See, I always put so much on the brushing, it's so carried away. Yeah, no, yeah, it's exactly what I thought. Like, it's amazing, the pigment and everything is so nice, but it's very like highlighty and like glittery, which is great. I'm gonna leave it there. Actually, you know what, I don't even really need any. I don't need anything. I don't need anything. Yep, that's grand, thank you. Bperfect, you little angels. There's literally everything I need in this palette. I'll just try out the rest of my makeup now, or what's crack? Okay, now we have to really darken it up. So I'm going to take Cocoa. Cow. Which is darker. Oh, they're smoky as well. I'm going to use both of them. I'm going to use Cocoa first, then I'm going to probably go in with smoky afterwards. I'm just going to make my eyes super dark and super... Oh, shut the bloody hell up. Super cute. Oh, Cocoa is dark and slaying. Literally, if you dab the brush in for like 1 second, half of the bloody shadow comes out, which is good. Like, it's not really powdery. See, it's not even like falling onto my face, or fall out. I think that's what they call it. I'm not really down with the lingo. I have my own lingo for everything, pretty much. Make up a new word every single day. Oh, here, I just keep mixing orange in, and like, I don't even want like really orangey, but they always just end up orangey because I just mix orange in every single day. Come on. Go on, Cocoa. Now I'm really happy with Cocoa. The names on this are kind of funny. One of them's called Prinny. Marbs, Toffee, Tiger, Loyal. These guys are loyal. Highlight is called Highlight, like high, and then Lite. Cranberry is Cranberry. Wow, I'm shook about that one. The black one's called Noir. It's not black in like French or like one of those other languages. Pretty sure it's in French. I don't really know that. Anyway, I'm going to use Smokey now, which is the darkest brown. I really need some darker browns underneath my eye because I always just neglect underneath there, and then I just throw about 10 colours on the bottom. Right now I'm just getting carried away and it's flicking all over my face, but here I am. Okay, now it's really nice and dark. It's not me because I always just don't darken up my eyes much, especially during the day. Like, I think that's cute, just like brown and orange kind of colours all over your eye are nice, but for nighttime, like, you need more drama. I mean, I know I said that I didn't want a big dramatic look, but do you ever feel awkward and you just like awkwardly hum? I'm not saying that I'm awkward now, but I was just thinking that the other day. I was in the canteen in college and I was with my friend Nisha, and we were looking at the like bars and stuff. Obviously we were only looking at the protein bars, not the chocolate bars. And some guy came over beside us and he was looking at them as well, and he literally like stood in between us and was looking at them, so we were both kind of like, okay. So it was really awkward and it was just silence. Nisha was like like humming or something, and he literally like copied her hum. Like he did the exact same hum like 1 second later, and we were both like was he slagging her, or was he just awkward and it just like came out, or like I don't know what happened, but then he just like walked away. So we were just like, we both just looked at each other like, what the hell did we just witness? Okay, that's cute. I'm gonna try brush away some of the stuff off my face. Just as well I didn't do my foundation first. Sometimes I do that. I know that's better when you do your eyes first, but sometimes I just like doing my face first. I'm like, I feel like it's so backwards to do your eyeshadow first, so it just doesn't feel right. But like when I'm doing like dramatic eyes, I'm like, right, Emma, come on, just do your eyeshadow first. Don't even need background music because it's just me humming the whole flipping time. Oh my god, will I do that? Imagine I made like a soundtrack of like non-copyrighted music and it was just me like like my brush is literally soaking because my tears are just running out of my eyes every 2 minutes. Like I'm actually sick of it. I don't know why they're being like this today of all days. Like not one tear came out of them all week, and then today they decided that they're a river. They decided they're the river Liffey. Can't get over how big this is. Like I've actually done my eyeshadow really quickly because I literally only need to put like 1 layer, I guess, of eyeshadow of like every colour because it's just so pigmented. Like usually you have to build it up way more, you know? Build it up. I actually laugh at myself when I use all these like words that makeup artists use, because I just use them because they just come into your head. Like if you don't do a makeup tutorial you won't really understand, but when you do one they just like come out, like they just naturally like come out, and I'm like, who do I actually think I am? Like in my head I'm like, who do I honestly think I am? Like I don't even know who I am anymore. But it's funny when I'm watching them back, I'm like, oh no. Like when I'm editing them, I'm like, oh my god. Yeah, am I gonna use highlighter? Yeah, I'm gonna put like a bit of highlighter or a little something in the middle to make them nice, to make them more fancy. I feel like that's how you know, like when people have their glitter or something on their eyes, you just know they're not just going to Dundrum, they're going on a night out, they're going on the wash, they're with their crew. Oh, I feel like the lighting is so bright that I just look white to you. It's too dark. It's too yellow. Like you can't win around here. So I'm sorry. It's the best I can do. Like I'm actually tanned in person. I have tan on my face. Like belly me on my bloody face. Now they look very messy, but when I do my little concealer and foundation and the whole shebang, I look $1,000,000. I'm gonna try out a bit of the what you call it, highlighter, and I'm gonna use it on my eye, like the inside of my eye, because you know it's a clever little way to try it out and not put it all over my face. So we're gonna try it out. This is it. Oh yes, that's gorgeous. Oh no, that's just, oh no, I can't. Oh my lord. It's so gold though, like it's literally so gold. Like I think it will actually be too much for my face. I don't know if I can even wear it on my face. It might be too much. I might have to like mix it a bit. I'm gonna just have to, like I'm not even putting much on the brush, so I'm gonna have to literally only hover the brush over it and not even touch off it. Like it's too much gonna go on it. No, I didn't even want this much here. I'm just getting carried away. I mean, you wanted a casual, cute eye. It'll be cute. Okay. That'll be a move. Right. Peachy. Oh, I think I went a bit overboard. Everything's so pigmented. I'm just not prepared. Right. Love the colour of it. Next from the Bperfect palette, I'm gonna use the Sculpt for my cheekbones to try and make me look like I have cheekbones, because Kim K obviously does, but I don't. I'm gonna try out the highlight. I'm a bit nervous because I feel like it's going to be a bit extreme, so I'm going to start off on my forehead and put a tiny bit there. Do you know what, I think I might mix this with my Mary Luminizer because my Mary Luminizer is a bit light and I think this is a bit too gold, so maybe the two together will be like perfect. Yeah, gorge. Oh my god, there it is. So like pigmented though. I'm not complaining, I'm just saying. I'm literally barely chipping off my face. But it looks unreal. I love. Oh no, this is so nice. I'm gonna just use some of it on top for the end of my nose. Yeah, obsessed. Okay guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I'm obsessed with the palette. Like, my verdict is that it's really, really good. I think it's about €30 and you can buy it on their website. I will leave all their links below and obviously links to buy the palette if you want to. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Do you think it looked good? See you guys soon. Thanks for watching.